Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are safe and doing good. With the grace of God, I'm also doing good. I've been meaning to have a chat with you guys, and somehow things didn't work out, especially with the children being at home. Things doesn't turn out the way I planned. And yesterday I saw a comment on my Instagram feed, that is on the Instagram reel feed. But first, let me just go through some of the questions you have raised in the comments. The most frequent comment I'm seeing these days are with regard to cast iron pan. So I've been using cast iron pan since many years now, and cast iron pan does require some care to get that non-sticky, glowy, smooth surface. I have shared a couple of videos on the same. You can just go through them to understand more about taking care of a cast iron pan. Cast iron pan not only gives more heat retention but also helps in better iron absorption. I know some of you find me being repetitive when I mention the benefits of cast iron pan, but I keep repeating it for new subscribers. Now, with regard to a comment I got on Instagram, I had uploaded a video of Aloo Paratha, just a random video on Instagram Reels, the Aloo Paratha which I had for lunch, and I saw a comment stating that I love Aloo Paratha, but because of dieting I am unable to eat Aloo Paratha. And that actually kind of made me think a lot about a healthy and sustainable lifestyle is all about trying to make a balance with your food habits, with your food cravings. So it's all about having a balance. It is for food to come on our table. We work so hard, isn't it? And it is because of food that you and I have this connection. And it is because of food you are watching me right now. So food has such a big connection among us. So when you crave for something, if you don't have it or if you don't make and eat it, you are putting more stress to your body, which is not at all good. Now, everyone is scared of fats. Fats should not be a big threat to you. It is about the quality and quantity of fat you should be thinking about. Healthy fats actually will help in better assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins. And I know I keep repeating this when I see someone saying that they are scared to have desi ghee or scared to have coconut oil. I feel really sad. I really don't know how to convince you that healthy fats is actually good for our body. It helps to boost your metabolism. It helps to give you a clear, glowing skin. It helps to absorb fat-soluble vitamins and minerals faster into your body. So there are so many health benefits. It helps in your gut health. So the benefits are immense. But people are just scared of having fat. Now, like I mentioned, the quality and quantity of fats is very important. Try to use organic desi ghee like A2 desi ghee, wood pressed oils like wood pressed coconut oil, groundnut oil, mustard oil. Wood pressed oils are very neutral in flavor and taste. So try to include wood pressed oils in your diet. Wood pressed oils are easily available locally, and try to cook with wood pressed oils. Now, coming back to the Aloo Paratha comment, the one thing which you should keep in mind is that because you are scared of including fat in your Aloo Paratha or whatever food you crave, because you are scared to have fat in your food, you just avoid fat. So you make Aloo Paratha without any desi ghee or any wood pressed oil, and have 2 Aloo Paratha but without the healthy fat, and you, without yourself knowing, you gain weight also. But if you have 1 Aloo Paratha with about 10 to 15 grams of good healthy fat, then what happens is you can have that Aloo Paratha with the desi ghee or whichever healthy fat you are using. What happens is when you have 1 Aloo Paratha, you get satisfied. The healthy fat will help to make you feel fuller. With just 1 Aloo Paratha and maybe a raita or a dal curry on the side, and you will be more satisfied of having that aloo paratha. So the point I want to make is, have your food, whichever food you like or crave is okay. The thing which you should keep in mind is portion control and including a good source of healthy fat. So when you add fat, you feel fuller. So you will not feel like having 2 or 3 aloo parathas. With one aloo paratha and a good healthy amount of healthy fat, you will feel fuller and more satiated. To all of you who are avoiding aloo parathas or dal chawal, anything which you crave, just keep this in mind. Include a source of healthy fat and portion control. You will be surprised, like after you have that food, you will feel fuller, more satiated and more happy and no stress. This is just one thing which I wanted to bring to your attention. Try to include naturally fermented food. Try to avoid processed and refined food. Especially since we are in this testing time, we need to boost our immunity. So eat healthy, be stress free, smile. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.